Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and flooring aficionados. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a treat for you as we dive into the world of EPDM flooring, a versatile and eco-friendly option that's gaining popularity for its incredible features and benefits. In this comprehensive guide, we'll cover everything you need to know about EPDM flooring, from its unique characteristics to its installation process. So, without further ado, let's get started. EPDM, which stands for Ethylene Propylene Diene Monomer, is a synthetic rubber flooring material known for its exceptional durability and versatility. It's widely used in various applications due to its fantastic features. EPDM flooring boasts a range of features that set it apart from traditional flooring options. Durability. EPDM is highly resistant to wear, tear, and UV radiation, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Eco-friendly. EPDM is a sustainable choice as it's made from recycled materials and is fully recyclable at the end of its lifespan. Weather resistance. From scorching summers to freezing winters, EPDM can withstand extreme weather conditions without cracking or fading. Non-slip surface. Its textured surface provides excellent slip resistance, making it ideal for places prone to water or moisture. Vibrant colors. EPDM flooring comes in a wide array of colors, allowing you to create eye-catching designs and patterns. Now that we've covered the features, let's talk about the numerous benefits of EPDM flooring that make it a top choice for many. Longevity. EPDM flooring can last for decades with minimal maintenance, saving you both time and money in the long run. Low maintenance. Cleaning EPDM is a breeze. A simple sweep and occasional mop are usually all it takes to keep it looking great. Versatility. EPDM can be used in a variety of settings, including playgrounds, gyms, rooftops, and even aquatic centers, thanks to its waterproof nature. Comfortable underfoot. Its natural rubber composition offers a cushioning effect, providing comfort underfoot. Noise reduction. EPDM has noise-dampening qualities, making it a great option for areas where sound control is important. EPDM flooring comes in various types to suit different needs. Rolls. Large rolls of EPDM can be laid out to cover extensive areas quickly. Tiles. EPDM tiles are versatile and allow for creative design options due to their modular nature. Installing EPDM flooring is a manageable DIY project, but getting it right requires some preparation and patience. Here's a brief overview of the installation process. Surface preparation. Ensure the surface is clean, dry, and free from debris. Repair any cracks or irregularities. Adhesive application. Apply a suitable adhesive to the surface and the back of the EPDM material. Roll or lay. Roll out the EPDM material carefully, ensuring proper alignment and avoiding wrinkles. Seam sealing. If you're using tiles, ensure proper seam sealing to prevent moisture penetration. Durability. EPDM's superior durability surpasses many other flooring options, including regular rubber. Eco-friendliness. EPDM's recycled content and recyclability give it a green edge over many alternatives. Versatility. EPDM's suitability for indoor and outdoor use puts it ahead of many traditional indoor-only options. Wrapping up our guide, let's go over some compelling reasons why you should consider installing EPDM flooring. Unmatched durability. EPDM's long lifespan ensures you won't need to replace it frequently. Safe and comfortable. Its non-slip and cushion surface makes it safe for kids and comfortable for all. Stunning designs. EPDM's vibrant color options and design flexibility allow you to create unique and visually appealing spaces. Eco-conscious choice. Choosing EPDM supports sustainability and promotes the use of recycled materials. Low maintenance. Spend less time on upkeep and more time enjoying your space. And there you have it, folks, our complete guide to EPDM flooring. From its remarkable features and benefits to installation tips and comparisons with other flooring options, we've covered it all. If you're considering a flooring upgrade that's durable, eco-friendly, and versatile, EPDM might just be the perfect choice for you. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting guides and DIY projects. Until next time, happy flooring!